Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. After the starting intro, today we're reviewing the SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini Gen 3, a high-performance mechanical gaming keyboard designed for speed, precision, and customization for serious gamers. The Apex Pro Mini Gen 3 features SteelSeries OmniPoint 3.0 HyperMagnetic switches, allowing fully adjustable actuation. This means you can set how far you need to press each key for it to register, giving you an advantage in fast-paced games or tailored typing experiences. It includes rapid trigger functionality, which improves responsiveness for gaming, letting you execute commands faster and more accurately. Game-ready presets are available for popular titles, so you can optimize your key configurations instantly without manual setup. Protection modes like SOCD, simultaneous opposite cardinal direction, and rapid tap ensure inputs are precise and prevent accidental or conflicting key presses during intense gaming sessions. This makes it ideal for competitive play. The keyboard is built with durable PBT keycaps and features customizable RGB lighting, combining style and longevity. Its compact mini design is travel-friendly, while the USB-C connection ensures fast, stable performance and easy connectivity. Overall, the SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini Gen 3 delivers unmatched customization, speed, and precision, making it an excellent choice for gamers seeking both performance and durability. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next one.